quick video about this LG refrigerator. Doesn't matter which type really, these new ones, about 4 years old. They say the compressors keep breaking. Man came and told me this was broken. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's running like a charm. The actual problem was this. This capacitor's blown. You can see it's domed on top, and here also domed, not flat. That means it's blown, it's not working. It came from up here, there. That's a new one. Literally just unplug this one, plug that one in, the fridge works fine. This was free from a second-hand fridge seller. Just make sure it's the same 10 microfarads or whatever microfarads it is on your fridge. Just make sure that's the same AC. Doesn't matter which way around you plug it in. AC switches all the time, so it doesn't matter. Switch that out. And sometimes the compressors, the capacitors here, take it off, replace it. Don't touch these when you take it off. They can be live and they can give you a bit of a wallop. So if you're nervous, don't do it, but it's pretty easy. Just be careful. When they're dead, they're not live anyway, so. But yeah, hope that helps. Yep, my God knows how many £1,000 fridge is now working perfectly for free. They quoted me €1,000 to do this. Anyway, hope that helps.